Only you have the ability to be the best version of yourself. So join me on this journey as we explore the power of yoga to unlock your full potential. Let's begin. Start sitting in a cross-legged position in the middle of your mat, circling over to the right side and to the left. Right hand on the ground, stretching the left arm over. And left hand on the ground, stretching the right arm over. Move your legs into a windshield washer position. Moving to the other side. And back over. And one more time. Legs together. Forward fold. Seated spinal twist on the right side. Baby wild thing. Seated spinal twist on the left side. Baby wild thing. Legs together, moving into boat pose. Down into butterfly. Cross-legged seat. Arms to the sky, down to the chest, and one more time.